Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing some Scratch. So I'm gonna do some Scratch. I'm gonna be showing you how to store your username in the cloud. So we're just gonna make a variable called stored data. Make sure it's a cloud variable. If it doesn't, it won't be stored ever. It won't ever be stored. It'll just be stored on your computer. Well, it won't exactly, but it won't be stored onto your computer, but it'll only be stored on your computer. It'll only be stored on your computer until you stop the program, until you run it again. Basically, if that makes sense. Okay, I just got Screencast-O-Matic, so I'm like messing around with it. Anyway, let's do what to store. That is very important. Make sure you have that. Okay, so first you want to do that, delete all what to store, and then make a new one called count1, because I'm not sure if we're going to set count1 to 0. Repeat length of username. Change count1 by 1. Make a new block. New block will be called encode, and then encode. Wait, is this gonna be a string or a number? I think it'll just be a number. So I'm just gonna do that. So encode number, which is count1. Okay, so now we're gonna define this. We're gonna define it as I'm trying to think. I'm actually trying to think. So encode. You know what? Hold on. You know what? Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make something that will store your username in the cloud on Scratch. Here on Scratch, www.scratchmit.edu. Sorry, I said it in a weird way. So just type in www.scratch.mit.edu. It's anybody MIT's. Anyway. So first you're going to want to start by making a cloud variable. If you must be a Scratcher to do this, else it will not do anything. So you have to be a Scratcher, which means you have been on the website and stuff for a decent amount of time, and called this stored data. Just leave that there. Now you're going to want to make a list called code. Why not make a period? So just code. So first you're going to want to do when that's clicked. Okay. Variable. The name will be count1. Set count1 as 0. Delete all of code. And make one more variable called your data. So this would be just your code, and set your data to nothing. But make sure count1 is at 0, else else it's not gonna come out good. Anyway, so now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to repeat length of username. Code and number. Just do that thing. Now we're gonna define this later. So code count 1, change count count 1 by 1. So we're gonna define that later since it's the weirdest part. Set your data to item 1 code. Your data. Set your data. Wait, so oh yeah, you're gonna have to have okay, so repeat length of username. No, this is so weird. Okay. So okay, so yeah, you have to have a 5-letter username. So change your data. Or not change, don't do change. Bad idea. Set your data to item 1 of code. Now it's gonna ask add to cloud. If answer equals yes, then set store data to join store data, your data. That just means it's gonna add your data to the cloud. Then it's done. Okay, so now we're gonna have to do this and then we'll be done with the tutorial. Just make a bunch of these ifs. Actually, do if number, letter number of username. Just duplicate that. Like, oh no, don't duplicate it. Just put it in there, and then do add thing to code, and then you duplicate it. What do I do that for? Okay, so B 02 C 03 D 04. So you see what I'm kind of doing now? See what I'm doing? D E 05 E F 06, and if you saw that toaster right there, that is just from me on Steam. 7 F G H I J K L M N P. And then you're going to want to duplicate it even more because there's still more letters to go. No, just going to keep going. Yeah, this is the really boring part, I know. U-R-S-T-U. One, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 27. So now you're going to want to do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there we go. Okay, there we go. So that is that. So what you could do is that you can show all this stuff. I have made something like this in the past. Whoa. So I'm just going to set store data to nothing. There you go. Now let's save and share. I'm not going to have any instructions or stuff because this is like really easy. You know, I'm just going to put pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, so thanks for watching the vid, and see you guys next time.